Select Payments. Select the matter or client. Enter the amount of the client payment. Enter the account number to which the payment is to be applied. Never use the trust account. When this box is checked, payments will be applied to invoices prior balance first, in first in, first out, or FIFO order. When not checked, payments will be applied to the current invoice, and users will have to select more invoices if the payment is greater than the invoice's balance. Check this box to make the client payment using the credit card or ACH account added for the client. If a credit card or ACH account has not been set up for the client, a form appears and you can set up payment information for the client. Enter the description. The Unpaid Invoices section lists all unpaid invoices for the selected matter. Unpaid invoices are listed in the order of invoice date from the oldest, top of list, to newest, bottom of list. You must check one of these line items in this section. If you don't want to apply the client payment to an invoice, check No Invoice. No invoice always equals matter AR balance. If you want to apply the client payment to one invoice, check the invoice line item. If you want to apply the client payment to multiple invoices, check the invoice line items. When you check line items, payment breakout information appears on the right side of the window. The payment is broken out based on your initial selection of invoices, starting with the oldest invoice and going in the order of hard costs, soft costs, taxes, fees, retainers, and late charges. You can make changes to the distribution as needed. Select the Fee Distribution tab. This tab is used to enter information about how the fees portion of the payment is to be distributed amongst the timekeepers. The fee is distributed to timekeepers in the proportion of total fee due and total fee received for each selected invoice. However, if no invoice was selected, then the total fee will be attributed to the responsible timekeeper of the selected matter. Change the fee distribution amounts as necessary. To add more timekeepers, click Add Timekeeper. You can add up to 35 timekeepers. Note, when multiple invoices are selected for the payment, you can only make changes to fee distribution if Show Total for all selected invoices is unchecked and an invoice is highlighted on the General Info tab. Undistributed fees must be 0 before you will be able to save the client payment. Click Done. The client payment is listed in the Enter Client Payments window. Post the client payment.